Okay, so question 11. The cargo space of a small bulk carrier is 60 metres long. The shaded part of the diagram represents the uniform cross-section of the space. So we're looking at that shaded part there. It's shaped like a parabola with equation y equals a quarter x squared minus, no, just y equals a quarter x squared, sorry, between minus 6 and 6. And we're looking at it between the lines of y equals 1 and y equals 9. Excuse me. So we've been asked to find the area of the cross-section and hence the volume of the cargo area. So first thing to point out, the volume of the cargo area, we're going to be looking at the volume formula, area times height, where we're going to work out that shaded area and then multiply it by 60, okay, in order to do that, okay. Now, what we need to do is we need to think about the area that we're trying to work out. Now, we don't work out the area above a curve, we work out the area below a curve, okay. So it would be helpful, it would seem, to be able to work out this area here that I've just coloured in red. If I work that out, that will also help me work out this area here, which is also in red because obviously they're going to be symmetrical. Okay, I can then take those red areas away from, now just bear with me here, the whole area of that whole rectangle, okay, and that will give me this bit here that's left. Okay, so it's quite complicated. Okay, I'm after the yellow area. To get the yellow area, I'm going to have to do the blue rectangle, take away the red bit. Okay, hopefully that makes sense. And then once we've managed that, all we'll need to do is add on this rectangle here in pink. Okay, so there's quite a lot involved here. Okay, but hopefully we will get there. So the area, first of all, of the blue bit, okay, the area of the blue bit, we are told that we are going between 9, okay, and y equals 1, so that distance would be fine, but the whole distance there is actually going to be 9 because we're going all the way from 9 to 0, okay, and the distance across the way, well, what happens when y equals 1? When y equals 1, 1 is going to be a quarter of x squared, so x squared is going to be 4. So see these points here, they are going to be 2 and minus 2. Okay guys, so the actual dimension of the blue rectangle is it's going between minus 2 and minus 6, so that's a distance of 4, times a height of 9. So each of the blue rectangles are going to be 36 square metres, okay, first of all. Now from there, okay, we then want to work out the area of those red bits that curve underneath the graph, okay. So we're integrating between, let's just work out this one in the positive part, okay, and then we'll deal with the fact the negative part's obviously going to be symmetrical. Excuse me. So we are integrating between 2 and 6. What are we integrating? Oh, sorry, that 6 isn't very clear. We're integrating a quarter x squared, okay, with respect to x. So when we do that, we are integrating between 2 and 6, and we're going to get a 12th of x cubed when we integrate. Okay, hopefully that makes sense. So what you're now going to have to do is substitute in for 2 and for 6. Okay, so when we put 6 in, we're going to have 6 cubed over 12. And when we put 2 in, we're going to have 2 cubed over 12. And we'll get an answer. Now, whatever that answer is there, okay, you're going to have to take that away from the 36. And that will give you the yellow shaded area that we needed. Okay, now I'm going to stop there just now because that is probably enough to get you started, and then you can come back to me if you need a bit of a help further down. Okay.